Don't have a social media strategy? Let's get you set up. Create a winning strategy and get ahead of your competitors. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through some tips to developing your social media strategy that you can start applying to your business today. By the way, don't forget to send me a message and I'll send over access to a guide for developing an effective social media strategy. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas that you can start implementing right away after watching my videos. Let's get started. First, let's talk about identifying your goals and objectives. Your social media strategy should align with your overall business goals. Take some time to define what you want to achieve through your social media presence. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive traffic, or create a strong community? Having clear goals in mind allows you to create a roadmap for success. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. By doing so, you'll be able to track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your efforts. Now, understanding your audience inside and out is crucial for crafting a successful social media strategy. Who are your target audience and what are their demographics? Dive deep into their interests, preferences, pain points, and behaviors. Conduct market research and use social media analytics to gain insights into your audience. By knowing your audience's needs and desires, you can create content that resonates with them. Also, consider the platforms your audience uses and adapt your strategy accordingly. Different platforms have different user demographics and content preferences, so tailor your messaging format and tone to suit each platform, giving your content the best chance for reach and engagement. Consistently evaluating and adjusting your social media strategy is essential to staying relevant and engaging. Social media is a dynamic environment and trends and audience behaviors can change rapidly. So make sure to review your performance metrics and analyze the effectiveness of your content and campaigns. Look for patterns and trends in engagement, reach, and conversion. Again, use platform-specific analytic tools to gain insights into what's working and what's not. And based on these insights, make data-driven decisions and refine your strategy. Experiment with different content formats, posting schedules, and engagement tactics to find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, it's an ongoing process of learning and improvement. If there's one thing I can leave with you, success on social media takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can achieve remarkable results. Well guys, I hope this helps. Don't forget to send me a message and I'll send you over access to a guide for developing an effective social media strategy. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.